Today we're going to discuss how to let go of the past using 8 healing affirmations. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay to the end for a motivational quote. I am healed. I can release the past. I let go easily. People see me healing. Every day I release more. Today I move forward. I am free. I forgive completely. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.